Nefesh, and what it seems, L'mayla mi'yecholtoi, Hashem will bless him tremendous brachas of Hatzlacha in Ruchnis, in Gashmis, to see Nachat from his children, who will also grow up to be Talmidei HaChomim in Yirei Hashem, and to be Zochit to Shalom Bayis, and Hatzlachas HaKehilas, and Hatzlachas HaBnei Torah Shebechol Makom U'Makom. So, Baruch Hashem, we have a great mission, and the more we take upon ourselves in Mesiras Nefesh, the more Hashem is beholding to us for helping him run the Olam HaTorah, which is his will, that we should be the ones who support Torah. And of course, everything is from him. He'll send down the funds, and he'll send down the brachas for them, for their families, and it's a very profitable deal which is taking place. More Torah